Whether you're a grihasta and you have no time to do practical services like chant extra rounds or kirtan or study shastra or worship deities or sit down peacefully and do lila, astakali lila smaran or write articles or visit temples or attend festivals of Krishna or Sankirtan parties or Gwadan Harinam. You have no time because of family and work. But that doesn't stop you from thinking about Krishna. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishasi satyam te pratijane priyosime. Pratijana priyosime. Such a soul, such a person, he's priyosime. He's very dear to me, who simply thinks of me. If someone simply thinks of me, he's dear to me. So every grihasta or every vanaprast or brahmachari, anyone, intelligent or big, small, whatever, washing clothes, driving the car, in work, taking care of the kids, shopping, wherever we go, we can think of Krishna. We can pray to Krishna, oh Krishna, help me, oh Krishna, when will I ever have time to be with you and just think about you all the time? And when will I be free from my karmic baggage?